If you've been waiting for the credit report import feature to be live with live automation, it is here as well as version 1.4. So I'm going to go show you guys. All you're going to do is head over to the course directory. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see live automation. Click on the button to learn more and the buy link is right there. So this is the current version that is available inside the course right now. I do have to add version 1.4 and I will do that immediately after posting this video. So this is version 1.3. We've already gone over this. Is version 1.4. I'm going to show you how the credit report import feature works, and I also want to let you know that we have version 1.4.5 that I'm currently working on, and I'm going to show you the difference. But let's go back to 1.4. This is going to import Identity IQ. I'm pretty certain that it will also import my Score IQ, but I am currently testing that and it should be available maybe Monday. But if you have Identity IQ, you will have no problems. All you're going to do, as you can see on the bottom, we have manager, print, letters, reasons, report. So your version is going to be blank. So let's go and get rid of all this information here. And we're going to get rid of the information on the report. And let's go back to the manager. One of the things that you're going to notice is that you don't have to do that much scrolling. So all of this grayed out stuff, I've just hidden those columns. All right. So you don't have to do as much back and forth. I've also made the UI a little bit cleaner and easier kind of on the eyes. You're going to come down here and add your creditor name and your account number. Although I am currently working on a script that'll pull it out of this text over here from the report for you, but you're going to choose a dispute reason. You're going to select which bureaus are reporting it. And then before you go and add any facts to support your argument, you're going to import your credit report. So let's go down to the report page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Import. You're going to go to Upload, Browse, and then we're just going to choose a report. I will choose this one. And this part is very, very important. We're going to click on the dropdown and it needs to replace the current sheet. So your options are create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, replace spreadsheet, and replace sheet. That is the one that you want to do. You're going to click on import data and then it's going to import the report. Okay. So not only is it going to import the report, but I'm going to show you in a second that it's also going to, on this page, create a dropdown with the negatives. If we go over here if we go back over here to the manager sheet and we just scroll just a little bit this way, we're going to click on to run new report import. And it just ran my script and it finished. The first time that you click on it, it's going to have you accept the permissions. Because we've run that script, now we're going to go and click on dropdown. And what it did was it created a dropdown with all of our negative accounts. I don't know why it calls it collection. I have to figure that part out. But anyways, it extracted all of our negative accounts and it put it into a dropdown right here. Now, when we click on the dropdown, it's going to load our accounts and then I can click on this one or I can click on any of the other ones. And now you see all of the available information for this account. So it literally extracted that whole account. Now, where it says added facts to support your argument, instead of just writing it out, I can actually come over here, double click inside of it, and I can highlight anything that I want and copy it. So if I was going to use date of last payment, I could highlight all 3 dates. And then if I just copied it, I can come over here and paste it into this account. So that is going to be appended to the end of my dispute reason. It makes it so that you can extract the negatives. You know what information you are easily dealing with. You can copy and paste it directly out of the dropdown. In version 1.4.5, we have taken it a step even further. So let me show you what's going on in version 1.4.5. So not only do we have the dropdown, but I'm working on a script that is actually going to automatically pull this creditor name and this account number. The problem I'm currently having with this is that because there's multiple lines inside this one cell, it actually does not want to pull from the different lines within a cell, but I promise I will figure it out. It's going to then take the creditor name and the account number, and it's automatically going to populate over here so you don't have to type it out. All you're going to do then is just, choose your reason, add your bureaus, and then that's it. I have taken it a step even further than that, and now we're going to add it to our dispute letter itself. So I've added 3 columns here. So if you want to add this whole section, this whole account to your credit report, you're going to click on Add to Experian, Add to TransUnion, add to Equifax. Okay. So what it's going to do is I created a new page that you will physically print out. Each bureau is going to have a separate one. So as an example, this is going to print out with Experian, and I'm going to put the word exhibit there. So it's going to look more like this, but with Experian's address. Okay. You're going to have all of your accounts that you said that you wanted to add to your credit report. And then you're just going to print out this page and you're going to send it with your dispute letter. What we're going to do is we are going to go and print our letter. So after our dispute letters are printed, now we're going to come over and we're going to go to our exhibits and we're going to print out our exhibit. And this is going to go with each of the respective bureaus. There's so many things that I am working on with this, but this one is version 1.4.5, where we have the manager, the print exhibits, and also the extraction of the creditor name and the account number. And there's so many other things that we're going to be doing with this. I wanted to show you guys these features because version 1.4 is currently live, which is, again, this one. All right. And then coming right after that is 1.4.5. That is it. I wanted to share with you version 1.4, which has, again, the brand new credit report import feature, as well as the other features that I have mentioned to you. I'm super excited about this. Just know that that is currently in beta, although it is completely usable. You can go check that out again on the course directory. Just go to Live Automation, click on Learn More, or click on Buy, and then you will get instant and immediate access to it.